Oh, g'day guys, welcome to Arthur's videos. Have I got a doozy for this video at the moment? Alright, look, as I said to you guys, I'm not full of shit. Everybody's enjoying those videos. They are giving me the thumbs, they also give me the finger, and that's it. But as I said, I'm a big boy and I wear big boy pants. Alright, what have I got on this? I've got another special for you guys. It's not going to be, I reckon it's going to be another part. We call this part one, all right? So before I reveal what is underneath the Italian safety hat, okay, with all the stains and all this shit, you know, I need to get a yum chain to me, man. So, yep, I need to get a yum chain, man. Oh, I just want to drink, that's why. All right, here's the go. I'm pouring the yum chains. Oh, that's a bit of a tight, yeah, that's a bit better pour there. All right, man. Guys, cheers. Yeah, that really hit the spot today. Okay. What's under the bed sheet? Oh, the Italian safety account. Good, man. Get to the point, man. Get to the point. Okay. I'm revealing it. Okay. It's like revealing a nice, sexy girl. Here we go. All right. This is. Here, man. What's that? What's that? Okay. What this is. I got a camera view. Got to put my glasses on too. All right. What this is. This is a power supply out of a 540 Aristocrat. All right. So this 540 is the 2.5. All right, let's go back. MicroStar, 2.5, 540. Okay. So this is a power supply out of the 540. I picked one up because I don't have a 540, so I got it. It has a test fixture in case you guys start sending me 540 boards to repair or check out. I haven't worked on 540s at all. So I heard they're a bit of a prick of a machine to work on. They're just shit, I heard. Okay, you hear, but you got to see with your own two googly eyes, you know. So when I got this machine, it was a local guy. It was a nice chappy. I bought it, okay, and I got it. Yep, the power supply was stuffed. And I had this guy go to me, goes, yeah, man, their power supplies are shit. They're all shit. They're all shit. Everything is shit until you know how to fix it. So I got it. I pulled it apart already so you can show you how it looks like. Okay. I'll give you the rundown how this thing goes. Okay. Inside your machine. No, I'll do it the other. Yeah, I'll pull it. Okay. Inside the machine, there's 3 location pins. There's one at the front. There's one over here, hang on, there it is there. There's one here, and there's one at the back for the screw. So if you ever want to remove it, and by the way, there's a disclaimer. Okay, if you do not know what you're doing, don't fuck with it, okay? I'm not coming around to give you mouth to mouth with my Jameson breath, okay, trying to get you back to life, okay? So if you don't know, don't fuck with it, okay? I'm not responsible if you go in the ass. I'm not coming over, man. Unless you want me to come over and give you mouth to mouth just for the hell of it. And that, yeah, send me a message over here, all right? All right. So moving on with that bullshit. So this is the power supply. Okay, so I explained to you, it sits inside the machine. I will show you another video of the machine. So what I've done is I've opened it all up, okay, and I did a bit of a Gainsey. Okay, so there's the warning label. All right, so there you go. I'm giving you the warning label, all right? So what happened was I opened it all up to have a sticky nose. So I had a quick geezer at it, okay? And it comes out like so. I'll show you, I'll move it around a bit better for you guys, okay? So this here, this plug here, this gets plugged into the back plane. Okay, there's the back plane of the machine, okay? It's on the back, okay? Because the power supply sits in like so, long ways, basically like so, all right? So then this plug sits in the back like so. Whenever you're working on shit, you've got to turn the machine off, mate, from the friggin' wall, and you pull the friggin' plug out, mate. You got what I mean? You got to pull the plug out, you know what I mean? You just don't sit there and you just go, yeah, man, it's good enough, mate. No, you've got to pull the plug out, all right? So I'm trying to find a plug to show you. Okay, so you pull the plug out, all right? And on this power supply, okay, I'm going to lift that up here so you can sort of see it. There's 3 LEDs here. Okay, one's your 24 volt, one is your 12, and one is your 5. So when I got it, the power supply was shot. So I had a quick geezer, as I explained to you, I had a quick geezer at it, opened it up, checked it all out. And I was trying to get my head around it. And I was talking to my audio mate. I said, dude, I've got this power supply. Everyone's saying it's pretty bad, whatever it is. And it's a company, if you want to know the company, that's the company here. SETEC. They make, it's actually made in Australia, okay? That's just up the road where I live. And they make it for all the gaming. These guys supply nearly everything in gaming, okay? Of these guys, all right? So I got it. I had a quick geezer. I said, oh, fuck, I can't work it out. I'm not going to spend too much money. I said, yeah, can you have a geezer at this? Work it out. So he goes, he's got a better, what's the word? He's got a better operating theatre than mine. Mine's like a half-eaten pasty over here, you know? So his theatre is a bit more better, more organised and all that. So can you do an autopsy on there? So he did. He opened it all up. He checked it all out. He even wrote a PhD on this power supply, you know, how this thing works because of the 3 different voltages in there. So I'll try to hold this better so you can sort of see it. So there, this is the output stage. It's got 3 switch mode power supplies in there. So as I said, he's opened it all up. He cleaned it up with his goo goo juice that he's got too, you know, and he did the autopsy. So, as I said, he done a PhD writing up how this circuit is. Because, yeah, man, why don't you just go on the internet, contact those guys, and they'll send you a file, and they'll make your life easy, mate. If it was that easy, like everything, man, everybody would be doing it the old easy way, you know. But no, there isn't. So he worked that out. He worked out his magic on it, and he got it going. So he wrote up. Did a quick. Spent a couple of hours drawing up the circuit and all that. So if you guys have got any power supplies in your 540 and they don't work, send them to me. Drop a message to me. There it is. There's my message and that. Send the message over. I'll palm it over to him because he's made all the loadings and all this stuff basically, and he'll do his magic, you know, because he specialises in amplifiers and power supplies and audio equipment. So he's more set up with all that crap. I'm half in pasty over here. So at least, you know, as I said, if your machine's going and you go, yeah, man, come fix it, mate, everything can be repaired. So he did his magic on this. As I said, you know, probably give him a couple of bottles of, you know, a couple of bottles of yum cha for the repair or whatever. As I said, it doesn't weigh much, probably about, it's probably about a 4-ish kilo, whatever it is. As I said, you know, not many people are out there fixing this shit up. But as I said, so I got it. He's done his magic. The power supply is up. And, as I said, this is what it basically is. It's not a big power supply, okay? But as I said to you, you know, it's just, you know, spinning it around so you guys can sort of see it. There's the bloody IC socket on the ground. So basically that is it, you know what I mean? So I've just opened it all up, basically, because what happens is this plug here is for your fluoros, okay? And there's your 110 and 110 here. I think is what's it? Oh, note acceptor here, okay? Got to read the notes, okay? So, yeah, basically that is it, you know what I mean? But as I said to you in the beginning, don't fuck with it if you've got no fucking clue, you know what I mean? I'm not liable, man. I don't care. If you fuck it up in the ass, don't come and crying to me, as I said to you, you know? But as I said, it's like a switch mode power supply, a bit more advanced, because what happens is this section over here, which I can't open up properly to show you because there's cables in there, they're also running the fluoro ballast inside that. So it's like, how many, like 3 power supplies plus a ballast and your 110. So it's a one shop finish. So the guys on the location in the venues, they're not going to sit there and fix this shit up. What they're going to do, pardon me, undo the 3 screws, pull the bastard in, put that back in the machine so the machine can keep going, you know. So they want the machine going because downturn is losing money for the venues. So basically, so they don't want that, basically. So as I said, it's a quick change in that. But for you guys at home, mate, as I said, you know, it can be repaired, you know. So that's the geezer on this 540 so far. That's all I can waffle on about this power supply. But as I said, I'm doing it for you guys, showing you the different stuff out there, because a lot of guys go, man, where do you buy this shit? Where do you fix it? Who do you fix it? And all that. As I said, if you got the gear and everything, and that makes life easy, you know what I mean? As I said to you, you know, I'm doing it for you guys. Keep the love going. And what I charge is bugger all, man. You know what I mean? And rocket science, you know. But as I said, at least you got this machine now. I'm going to plug this in. I'll do another video of another part of the monitor. I'll do the monitor section. I reckon that's I gave you the thing out of the monitor. I'll show you what the monitor looks like inside there. What I'll do is I'll clean it all up. I'll show you what it looks like and all that. So that's why I bought this machine, because I don't have a 540. So And as I said, you can drop messages at this message here. Email me with any questions you got, whatever. As I said, I'll take anything, you know. But as I said, if I can't fix it, I say, man, I can't fix it, whatever, you know. But on that note, as I said to you, go down the bottom, go toot, down there, give me the fingers or whatever it keeps saying to you and all this. So on that note, guys, you know, thanks for watching another one of my crazy videos, you know what I mean, promoting Jamison and all that. As I said, the old saying of mine is, you know, pinball machines and video games and pokies that are a passion. As I said, man, you know, I've been storing, as I said, keep the love going, man. Keep these machines going, you know what I mean? So, guys, cheers to watching this video. Thanks for watching again. Cheers.